Good evening, everybody. I'm your host, the Supreme Litigant. I'd like to welcome all of y'all back to Smart Loc TV. Y'all already know the routine. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button. Hit that like button first. All right, let's jump right into this. Okay, so the title of this video, y'all, is going to be called Common Law Name Change. I try not to make it too long, but the purpose of me doing this video is to let you know that you can change your name without going to court. The main reason for that is because you're sovereign, just to let you know. Um, and also to let you know that you're not crazy. No, you are not crazy. People who don't read and understand what you're doing, they're going to think you're crazy, but you're not crazy. So let's jump right into this. I have the case citations. These are the case citations right here at the bottom of each case that I'm going to read. And there's some within the case citations also. And you can go and read them for yourself. I'm not going to read them, the case citations. But I'm going to read you what they say, what some of them say. At common law, any adult or emancipated person was at liberty to adopt any name as his legal name, except for fraudulent or criminal purposes, without resort to any court. So that means you didn't have to petition to get that. You didn't have to pay an administrative fee. You didn't have to use some statute in an administrative proceeding to do that. You can do that at common law. You can change your name right now if you want to. A third exception to the common law right has been alluded to, that the name itself to be adopted is obscene or otherwise offensive. There's the case citation for that. Just to let y'all know, this is a principle. This does not, just because you see these cases, like for example, this one is in New Jersey. This does not just apply in New Jersey. This is a principle. This applies everywhere. Under the common law, any adult or emancipated person could change his or her name at will without any legal proceedings, simply by adopting another name, as long as he did not do so for a fraudulent or criminal purpose. And there's other cases telling you this. In the absence of statutory restrictions, one may lawfully change his name at will without resort to any legal proceedings if the change is not made for a fraudulent, criminal, or wrongful purpose. Let me stop right there. I'm going to say lawful. If y'all notice, I never, ever use the word legal or legally. I never use that word. If you read any of my paperwork in my lawsuit, I'm using the word lawful or unlawful. That's it. I never use the word legal because, in my opinion, legal denotes the jurisdiction of the legislature. So I never use it because I'm not subject to their jurisdiction. There's the case citation for this, what I just read. There's another one right here. Under the common law, a person had a right to change his name without legal formality. And this is right here. There's another case citation right here. See this? What I'm highlighting right there. This is in Arizona, just to let y'all know. Also, the reason why I picked cases from different so-called states is to show y'all that this is a principle and it applies everywhere. That is the purpose of me doing reading you these case citations from different states. In the absence of a statutory restriction, one may lawfully change his name without resort to any legal proceedings. See this? This is the case right here where they get that from. This is in that's our Massachusetts case. Statutes such as Arizona Revised Statute, Section 12601 and Section 12602 merely affirm and are in aid of the common law rule. They do not repeal the common law by implication or otherwise, but afford an additional method of effecting a name change. At common law of a minor, let me see. I read that wrong. Sorry about that, y'all. A common law right of a minor to change his name without legal formality has been recognized. Now, of course, you have to be, age of majority and wise enough, to pick out your name or something like that. So there are requisites that are needed in order for a minor to change their name. Like I just said, you have to be wise and of the age of majority to change your name if you're a minor, so to speak. And if you're not that, then under the common law, you couldn't change your name. This is an Arizona case right here, just to let you know. So hopefully, this just to let y'all know that you're not crazy. The common law, even though it came from England and all of this stuff is, it's kind of made up. It's kind of predicated upon a rational basis. So I would agree with it to a certain extent. But you're not crazy. Okay, you're not crazy. You're not crazy. You're not crazy. You're not crazy. You can change your name right now if you want to, and you don't need to go to court to do that. You don't need to pay an administrative fee, aka tax, to do that. You can do that whenever you want. Anyway, I hope this video helped y'all understand this. Um, Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscription button. I really, really appreciate that. And hit that like button, y'all. Please hit that like button. Really appreciate it. Everybody enjoy your day. The Supreme Litigant is out. Peace.